Enrich your writing. Adjectives and Adverbs Unleashed. Hello everyone. Today we are going to dive into an exciting topic: writing descriptive paragraphs using adjectives and adverbs. This is a fantastic way to enhance your writing and bring your words to life. So, let's jump right in and start making your English writing richer and more vivid. Before we start writing, let's refresh our understanding of what adjectives and adverbs are. Adjectives describe or modify nouns. They can tell us what kind, how many, or which one. For example, in the phrase, "a beautiful sunset," beautiful is the adjective that describes the noun, sunset. On the other hand, adverbs usually modify verbs, adjectives, or other adverbs. They can tell us how, when, where, or to what extent. In the sentence, "She runs quickly," quickly is the adverb that describes how she runs. Now, let's see why it's essential to use adjectives and adverbs in our writing. Adjectives and adverbs add detail and depth to our writing. They can transform dull sentences into vibrant expressions that capture the reader's imagination. Consider this sentence: "The cat sat on the mat." It's simple and to the point, right? But it doesn't tell us much. Let's add some adjectives and adverbs. The fluffy, gray cat lazily sat on the old, worn mat. Suddenly, you can visualize the cat and the mat more clearly, right? That's the magic of adjectives and adverbs. So, how can we incorporate this magic into our writing? Here are some steps to guide you. 1. Identify the subject. What or who is the focus of your paragraph? Remember, adjectives will be used to describe this subject. 2. Choose your adjectives. Think about the characteristics of your subject. What words best describe it? Be creative. 3. Identify the action. What is happening in your paragraph? This action will be modified by your adverbs. 4. Choose your adverbs. How is the action performed? Try to describe it in a unique way. 5. Combine everything. Now, write your paragraph combining your subjects, adjectives, actions, and adverbs. Make sure it all flows together smoothly. Let's put all this into practice. Try to write a paragraph describing a busy city street. Remember to use at least 3 adjectives and 3 adverbs. For example, your adjectives might be noisy, crowded, and bright. Your adverbs might be quickly, hurriedly, and loudly. You can choose your own, of course. That wraps up our exploration of adjectives and adverbs in descriptive writing. The more you practice, the better you'll get at using these magical words to bring your writing to life. So, keep practicing, and soon your English writing will be as vivid and engaging as a novel. See you in the next video. Happy writing!